evening everyone, and welcome back to my cooking show. Today we are going to one of Polish traditional dish. In English we will call it potatoes dumpling. I'm going to modify a recipe today which is a little bit different than an original recipe. Here's my ingredients. We need boiled potatoes. The original recipe calls for flour. That means to keep the potatoes together, because also according to the original recipe you should boil them in the water, similar to how you boil pierogi. However, I will bake it. Yeah, I'm experimenting a little bit with this recipe, and we're going to see how this is going to turn out. And so, as I said earlier, I won't be adding flour with my potatoes. However, I already mash. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you that the potatoes had to be mashed after they boil. Now I use canned kidney beans. I mash them as well. Substitute ingredients instead of flour. I already combine both. Normally, according to Polish traditional recipe, you're supposed to make logs from the mixture. Remember how I created pierogi? I made logs. Then each log I cut into small pieces. However, I will do a little bit different today. Before I make my kopytka, my potatoes dumplings, I will show you how I'm going to coat them. I will use just egg. If this ingredients is not available for you, you don't have it at home, you can use any kind of plant-based milk to coat my kopytka. So, but I wanted to mix my flakes, potato flakes, with a little bit of spice. That's me. I will use smoked paprika, nutritional yeast, and garlic, onion powder, pepper to taste, and salt. I'm going to combine my ingredients. So I have a first one, little logs, okay. So kopytka kind of look like that. Okay. All right. And so I'm going to use an egg to coat them. Okay. This one, and then I'm going to coat them in potatoes flakes. Okay. I already preheated my oven to 450. I will bake them. Actually, they change the color, they're nice and crunchy. Okay. Consistency of my mixture. It's quite good for making kopytka. Okay. So my mom used to tap them after they boil. She didn't make it, she boiled them. I already mentioned that. With onions, fry in oil or butter. However, I'm going to create a mushroom sauce. Just wipe your hands from time to time because it's getting sticky, a little bit sticky. But also, after you boil your potatoes, make sure to put them in a fridge at least an hour. It'll be easier for you to create those. Even if you follow the original recipe, they still kind of fragile. But at the end, they're really good. Okay. All right. Use breadcrumbs as well, of our flour, but I wanted to try this, and why not? It could be very good. Okay, let me just start. Okay, set one here. Here I am. Okay. All right. The first one. I'm going to put it on paper. They are a little messy. I have a lot of mixture here, and that's why I make them a little bit bigger, because I wanted to put them in the oven soon. Be gentle with them because they're quite fragile. It's not because I'm modifying them. That's how they are. Very, very delicious. And use an egg. Okay. Put it on a plate. And I use flakes. Okay. That should not be a hard dish to make it. Besides, as I said before, they're a little fragile. So you have to be delicate with them. If they get a little bit soft, just you can just shake them again. They look like that. As I said before, they're a little bit bigger than my traditional. I have also a smaller size here. Almost look like the traditional ones. And if you don't want them that big, you always can cut them in half. So this is up to you. Now, my suggestion to you is just put them in a fridge before you're baking. So that's what I'm going to do right now. You also could let them sit on a counter for longer time. In the meantime, I'm going to work on gravy. Okay, so my ingredients for gravy are onions, carrots, and After carrots and onions are almost soft, I will put mushrooms in it. And then slowly add spice and almond milk, liquid aminos. You'll see what I innocent. I think that's probably it for the my gravy. I'm going to start. What I'm going to do for my dinner is to create a salad, and I'm going to use sauerkraut. Again, this is one of the Polish dish, which both my mom and grandma used to make it as a side dish. So I have sauerkraut, carrots, raw onions. The one have cup of oil, and I'm using canola oil for that. The only spice for my salad is pepper, and I'm going to use a tiny bit of salt, tiny bit. Okay, that's plenty. I'm going to combine all my ingredients. Maybe the combination seems kind of odd to you, but it's really good. You know what else I could use? I thought I could add a little bit of fennel seeds, which is going really great with cabbage. That's what I'm going to do, just for the better flavor. Okay. Okay. This is a great dish. It's healthy and easy to make, and that's what we need. Let me show you. Hopefully you see it. It's a great addition to the main dish. I put this aside, and now I'm going to check on my mixture. Okay, mushroom I'm going in right now, and also, which I forgot to mention in the beginning, I'm going to put a little bit of green chili just to bring them extra flavor. Okay. Liquid aminos going in just to taste. Show you. You can see from here. Now it's time for milk to go in. If you would like to have your sauce a little bit thicker, you always can use a little bit of flour. Okay, so I'm going to boil this a little bit more longer. Let me change the consistency, definitely better. Okay, so I'm going to line it up on pan. We don't want our kopytka be close to each other. Okay. Oh, wow. So I'm going to put my first batch in the oven right now. Now my sauce looks really good and it smells delicious. Okay. Okay. And just okay, I'm putting spice in right now. I'm transferring that right now in the plate. Okay. Yeah, smells delicious. Okay. I'll show you my product. Okay. Okay. And so they smell good. As I see right now, they're looking great. They smell delicious. And my suggestion to you, make them smaller because they'll be easier for you to flip them. Because the heat make them a little bit of softer. Or you can, just thinking you can even broil them. This one. Okay, here. I will do it. Maybe you wanted to put it aside. They'll be okay. Want it this way. Okay. Salad on side. Okay. And again, make it a little bit smaller because it will be easier for you to flip them. Okay. So let me taste. Let's see how they are. Very good. Excellent. Well, they're a little soft, but it's okay. I'm going to also taste my salad. Very, very good. So don't be discouraged if your kopytka are soft, because it's still delicious, and I can tell right now it is eatable and it's delicious. And just be careful when flip them, and again, make them smaller, and it'll be easier for you turn them to the other side. As I said in the beginning, their nature is very fragile, so it just be gentle with them. Okay. If you enjoy my recipe, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I see you next time in my next video. Have a good evening. Bye.